Pumpkin puree, first step. Put it in a 375 convection oven, put water in the pan, cook it for 35 minutes. Well, while it's hot, you could scoop it out. We'll wait until it cools down a little and just peel the back off. So we'll go about doing this and then peel the back after it cools. So all the seasonings are in there. Did a good job of peeling all of the pumpkin out. I'll run that for just 2 minutes and we're done. Take a puree, put it in a serving dish, and this is enough here for like 3 portions. There it is. Hope you enjoy it.